Welcome to Antinanco Earth Art School Woodworking video. For the past 2 years, Antinanco has been committed to bringing hands-on, practical and outdoor education to our community. Here is a glimpse of the Magic Woodcraft Shop series that we held in the spring for 2 age groups. As part of the program, the younger kids learn to use tools and become comfortable working with them safely and independently, and were involved in making small toys and models with moving parts. They learned various techniques, planned, measured, and built projects, developing physical skills, mechanical reasoning, and conceptual thinking. The older group worked on more involved projects, making butter knives, planters, hinged boxes, and real-size projects, applied more complex techniques. This program is brought to us by KidBuild, a Jersey City-based school that combines creative learning experience with real hand tools to make real projects, while also exposing children to the fundamental concepts of geometry, physics, and math. Our next fall series will include an advanced clinic for children who are already familiar with the tools and techniques, where they will work on continuous complex projects in a cooperative team framework. The adults will also have a chance to work on their independent projects like tree houses alongside. For more information on this or other classes we offer, please visit our website www.antinanco.org.